Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing Tab Performance slip-on mufflers on my 2022 Road Glide Special. After doing some research, I have decided to go with a 4.5 inch B.A.M Sticks and Zombie Baffles. So let's quickly take a look at the exhaust and get it installed on the bike. Alright guys, here it is. Tab Performance 4.5 inch B.A.M Stick with Zombie Baffles. As you can see, obviously I've decided to go with a chrome on chrome, so you can get them in chrome with different color tips. You can go with black and silver and chrome. I decided to go all chrome just like the stock, obviously, except it's going to be substantially bigger. I like the slash cut, and it's going to be facing up, so it'll be nicely streamlined with the bags. And obviously the Zombie Baffles should give it really nice and mean sound. So let's go ahead and take off the bags, take off the stock exhaust, and get these mufflers on. Removing the stock muffler is pretty straightforward. There's two bolts here and a big clamp right here. Alright guys, was a little bit of a wiggle back and forth. Eventually the slip-on came off. You will notice that the mufflers do come with different diameters. There's a larger diameter and a small diameter. The larger goes on this side and the small diameter goes on the other side. Do go ahead and use some sort of lubricant like a WD-40. Just a little bit to make it easier on yourself to slip it back on. Here's a quick comparison shot of the new Tab Performance exhaust versus the stock one. Substantially nicer looking, at least to me. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Let's hear what this exhaust sounds like. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of a Tab Performance slip-on exhaust. It's a 4.5 inch B.A.M Sticks. Hopefully the audio gave you some idea what it sounds like. It's always hard to gauge based on the camera microphone exactly, you know, how deep or how loud something is. But you know, if you're looking at this video, obviously you already know what the stock one sounds like. This one is substantially louder and deeper. I mean, the only thing that really comes to my mind, if I was to use one word, is angry. So it is super nice, deep tone. Obviously, it's a new exhaust. It still has to break in a little bit, so the sound may actually get even a little bit louder and deeper over time. Again, the looks are subjective to me personally. The chrome exhaust, chrome tips with my bike and the theme of my bike goes very well. I like the slanted look of the pipes. It flows nicely with the stretch bags of the Road Glide Special. So hopefully this video was useful to some of you, particularly if you're looking for a slip-on exhaust for your Road Glide Special or a Street Glide for that matter, since they're pretty similar other than the fairing. So that will do it for today. If you like the video, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.